this first? Let me know if you're ready. You ready? Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Drop this big boy down. Hope I got some good footage, guys. But what's going on, guys? We back outside again. Starting off the day with a couple of Tractor Supplies. We got 3 up in here right now. Got some dog food and 2 freaking grills, as y'all see. After I do the last drop off out this batch, I got one more pickup from another Tractor Supply that's about 15 minutes away. You guys already know the vibes. I've been watching this channel. Saturday, Sundays, I usually just come out here for a quick 100, 150, go in the house. Today, I might aim for 2 because we already got 150 in the queue. Might, depending on what the drops look like. If the next major drop don't drop nothing, I'm gone in the house. I don't play around on Sundays, Saturdays or Sundays. So today is Saturday. It is 8:44. Now, you do have another drop at 950 Home Depots, but I really don't consider that a major drop. The next major drop, well, it dropped some Home Depot items here and there in my market, but the next major drop I consider is that 1104 drop. So stay tuned. We're gonna get some drop-off footage. As y'all see, we got some pickup footage. Just stay tuned. All right, this one about to be fun right here. So usually with this Tractor Supplies, you're on your own. Tractor Supplies, BJ's, 8 times out of 10, you're on your own. Y'all know what's going down first. This one right here. Yeah. Gotta wash these cords because these got some tension on them. I know a lot of people like, why you don't use the straps? Don't sleep on these bungees, man. Do not sleep on these Home Depot bungees, man. Get y'all some. So with this right here, I want to grab a welded piece that's on there. So this is not welded, but I'm just gonna position it with this right quick. Actually, it'll be a better angle if I put y'all right here. So this is how I'm gonna get this off right here. I'm gonna get it closer to the edge. Not all the way down. I'm gonna wait for this truck to go past. Oh, my magnet got caught. Let me take that off. My magnet got caught on the grill. Look this behind me. Oh. That's how I got it off, real gently. You gotta have some muscle. All right, as y'all see, no damage. Let me double check it. It'd be crazy if I took the wrong grill off. Oklahoma 3 burner. It looks like a 2 burner, but I guess that's a 3 burner. Make sure I don't hit the car. That's it. Yeah, so delivering the grill. Everything's supposed to be curbside. Let's see, so he wanted to try to get it on the porch, but he don't have no driveway. You always got one customer. I ain't got my gloves. All my other stuff is in Big Yellow, and I be forgetting to take it out, my gloves and stuff.
We're supposed to be put together already.
You want me to tell them go get you a put together one? Take it back?
That's what they were supposed to be sending.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
It.
No issue.
Huh?
I don't work for them. That's what they sent. Yeah. So, okay, I'll take it back. Yeah, I let them know that you might want to call them too.
Okay.
Because all I do is do the pickup and drop off.
No, we were at the store and they actually the guy picked the grill up and he was going to put it together.
Yeah, if it was on some wheels, we could have rolled it up there, but it's, it's in the box. Yeah. Okay.
Together,
so I'm about to take this back. Make sure you call the store too, but I'll let them know too. So that you want it put together. All right. As y'all see, the customer wanted the order. He wanted the order taken back to the store because it's not put together. So hopefully I don't lose my other Tractor Supply trip, because sometimes what Roadie app will do is if it sends you go back to another store or another location, it'll basically think that you didn't move from that spot since then and take that order away from you. So hopefully they don't take this order away. This return right here should put me at like 140 something. And if they don't take that next order away, that'll put me at like 185, maybe 190. I don't know. I didn't do the math yet. So it's gonna take me 25 minutes to get back to where I gotta take this back to. Then it's probably gonna take me another 35 minutes to go to the next Tractor Supply. But about time that happened, it might be another drop. I don't know. We'll see. I'll be cool with the 185 to 195 for the day. We'll see. But as y'all just seeing on camera, the customers with Tractor Supply, sometimes they gonna want you to take it somewhere where, you know, according to TOS, you don't supposed to take it up the steps. He ain't had no like driveway or nothing where I could just like drive up there and, you know, just drop it. That's a 250-pound box right there. That grill is a 250-pound box. You know what I'm saying? And only way up to his patio was steps. He said, can I take it up there to the steps? Then he wanted put together too. So now you want to put together grill, take it up to your steps. So the next driver to get this order, because it wasn't paying that much, to be honest with you guys too. I think it was only paying like 32 bucks or something like that. 33, might be 32 bucks, somewhere in that ballpark. Yeah, 32 bucks. So it wasn't paying that much to even attempt to like help him that much. You know, I did my job. I delivered. You know, hey, where you want it at, by the garage or the barn, where you want it at. But some customers, they try to get over. Now, I will say this. He might have paid Tractor Supply 75 bucks, 100 bucks. I heard they be paying big money to get stuff delivered from Tractor Supply. This is what I hear. So, whatever. About to go take it back and just return money, and let's hope for the best for my next trip. Yeah, so the app is bugging out right now with the drops. I did pick up my Tractor Supply order, which is these mats right here, 6 of those, and a couple of tools. So I'm gonna see right now if I can grab something else. You know, because this right now, this will put me at like 187 or 88, something like that. So I'm gonna see if I can grab something else. If not, I just call it a day. It's a nice day today. I'll find something to do. I do got my bid on like 3 orders right now. So I'm gonna see if they could give me one. Let me see. Well, I could head to the stop. I do have a bid on an At Home and 2 Home Depots, but since I've been having this Tractor Supply and I did that return, they probably not gonna give me nothing else. So I keep y'all posted. If not, if I don't get nothing else, y'all see me at the next stop, you know. Alright, so I ain't getting nothing else, but I am about to do this drop. He said just drop them right here. If y'all don't know, these are 100 pounds. These stall mats. You want to leave them outside so they could air out. Because if you ever deliver these, they smell like rubber, like strong rubber, real bad. So best thing to do is just let them air out. And yes, these are 100 pounds. I'm glad they're not wet today though. Try delivering these in the rain. Whew. Take a picture and I'm gonna check the app to see if it's something else. If not, we gonna go ahead and end the video. All right, y'all. I don't know what's going on today, but it's looking like it's a Tractor Supply day. I got another Tractor Supply for $62. This one do have a little bit of weight on it. It's like 400 and some pounds. Each piece weigh 200. I don't know what it is yet. I truly don't know what it is yet. But the dimensions look like it can fit in this van, right? That's the good thing about this van. Hopefully, it can fit up in this van. It's paying $62 and it's going back down Upper Marlboro. Let me see if I can show y'all. Yeah, so it's paying $62, 13 miles. Let's see if we can get it up in. So I got these gates, man. I'm gonna try to fit them up in here. The thing is, they stand up in here. It's just, if I had one of these gates, these dog kennels, I'd be good to go. I'm worried about, because now I got two of them. And the way you gotta get them up in here is you basically, I got enough room to get them up in here. It's just you gotta twist it up in here, then it'll stand all the way up. All right, we just go bust them open and put them in here separately. Looking like a head. Look, I'm putting my body weight, pulling it. It's not going nowhere. When I tell y'all stop sleeping on these, with the camera. When I tell y'all stop sleeping on these bungees, stop sleeping. Grand Theft Auto back roads back here. Good Lord. Hopefully I'm going the right way. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna slide it right there, right quick, so you can grab it. Let me know if you're ready.
Yeah, I'm trying to do some. I have some goats over there. And maybe I mean, it's just a starting point, but I'm
okay. The time is now 2:01. We was out here for about 6 hours. $253, I believe, that was made. It was Tractor Supply on Tractor Supply on Tractor Supply. It was straight Tractor Supplies today. I ain't do no other store, guys. I can't complain. That's good money. That's some good money for sure. We would have been done probably about 5 hours and some change, but the store took a little too long with that last order. We had to figure out how to get it from, well, y'all seen the recording. But anyway, I can't complain about today. Hopefully everything came out clear on my recording, because I'm still working with a camera that's half-ass broken right now, my Insta360, but I'm making it do what it do, baby, right now. I'm also trying to figure out if I'm just going to go cheaper and just go get the Go 3S, or just go ahead and get the new model, the big boy, the Go Ultra, which will be $200 more for the package that I want. So I'm really digging that camera though, and if I do get that, I will get it in black. And I think that both of the cameras are incognito in black, you know, if you get them in black. But I'm really digging that that Go Ultra right now. So I'll make my decision after next week or something like that. I just bought another iPhone because my iPhone burnt out on me. The one that I had since 2020, I bought that flat out March 2020 during COVID, and it just finally gave up on me and said, boss, I'm tired. So I had to go pay for another phone flat out yesterday. So don't want to be paying for stuff flat out too much. I mean, at the same time, I don't want to be financing nothing either, but you know, let me make some money before I spend some money again. But man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I do have a contract that I'm working on. I don't know if I said this during the clip today or something, but I do have a contract that I'm working on somewhere down the pipeline. We're gonna go with that. It's actually a new contract. They're not even all the way up yet. But let's just say it is gonna be somewhere in the numbers that I'm looking at. We already done talk numbers, so we'll see how that go. We'll see how that go for sure. So hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Till next time, people.